Hello, grade fives, it's Mr. KV, and congratulations, you've completed our photo editing unit. I hope you had a lot of fun learning skills along the way. Today, I've assigned something called the capstone, create fun images. And all I want you to do is have fun, experiment, use the skills that we've learned in this unit. And so if you have an idea, go ahead and try it. But if you'd like to try face replacement of a celebrity, watch what I'm doing here. And I think you might be inspired to try a version of your own. So start by opening Google Images. And I know people feel strongly about him, but I'm going to type in maybe the most famous person in the world here, Donald Trump. He is the President of the United States. And let's go with, we need a good picture here that is replaceable. There's so many great options. We want one, see this one? We want one where he's actually facing, more or less facing the camera straight on. So let's go ahead and use this one. That's not bad. And we'll go ahead and save this as Trump. I'm going to call it Trump 2. Trump 2. And then I'm going to open Pixlr, and this link is on Google Classroom. And I'm going to open the editor. And this image here, Trump 2, is going to be my background. If you think about our layering activity, this is going to be our background. Okay. Then I want to think about a celebrity that I can put on top of his face. And one guy that comes to mind is a guy named Jimmy Fallon. Now, Jimmy Fallon is a late night talk show host. He's very musical, pretty funny. Not all of his stuff is appropriate. Sometimes he uses some humor that should be reserved for adults. Okay, so never watch him without your parents' permission. But here he is, and let's see. This picture here might just do the trick. Again, I put the filter on large. I'm going to two-finger press on the image and save it. And I'm going to call it Fallon 2. All right, and now I'm going to open a separate tab. In a separate tab, I'm going to open pixlr.com, but this time I'm going to open remove BG, because what I want to do is just get Jimmy Fallon with no background. So I'm going to find my file, Fallon2, and open it and remove BG. There it is. And then I'm going to hit save. Don't hit this save all zip, but save right here. Okay. And actually, I just thought of an option here. Fine tune. Does that let me? Ooh. Okay. I can actually get rid of all of this. I don't really want this coming with Jimmy. Will that delete it all? What? Oh, restore. No. Can I undo that? No. All right. Okay, you don't want to hit restore. You want to hit remove. Mr. KV, slow down. Do it properly. All right, do you see the difference between restore and remove? Hopefully you don't make the same mistake I made there. And we're just going to, no, I'm going to undo that. Nope, too late. I didn't like how wonky I made his neckline. That's good enough. That's good enough. Okay. So apply, and then I'm going to save his face. And I'm going to call it Fallon Face. Fallon Face. Okay, now I'm going to go back to Trump, and I'm going to select Layer and add Image as Layer. And now I'm going to grab Fallon Face and bring him in here and grab the corner to resize. And it's not a perfect fit because Trump's hair is really big. But that's okay. Let's just make it weird. All right. Not bad. Not great, but not terrible. I'm sure you're laughing right now because that does not look good, but that's okay. Grab the eraser over here and we can continue to go to work on his neck. We just need to fix Jimmy Fallon's neck here a little bit. It doesn't look quite right. So let's just go right under his chin. What we want, yeah, we want the Trump neck to show. That's a little better. There we go. You can ignore the fact that Trump's neck color is a little different. And we can even use the clone tool. Remember the clone tool? Select this. No, let's make it a little larger. Okay, select this as your source. And then check this out. We can, oh, I'm in the wrong layer. Select the background layer. There we go. Let's try that again. Source. There we go. See what I'm doing there? And we can do the same thing if we want over here. Get rid of his blonde. That's going to be tricky. Yeah, got rid of some of the blonde hair. He's got some whiskers here, but that is tough. That is really tough. Okay, if I lower, I'm going to take one shot at getting rid of this blonde hair here. I'll try my best. Ooh, not bad. Not great, but also not bad. See if I can fix that. There. I know I'm slowing down here a bit, but you know, just want to do a good job. Okay. I'm making it messy. I know what to do. Let's make the brush even larger. There we go. That's a little better. Yeah. Okay, I messed up the plain door. I'm not going to get that quite right, but that's okay. Yeah. There we go. That is as good as I'm going to get it for the time being. We're at 6 minutes 54 seconds. Not a terrible version of Jimmy Trump or Donald Fallon. Go ahead and hit File and Save. And just give it a fun name like that. I'll call it Jimmy Trump, Trump 2. And we'll go ahead and save it, and then you can post that on Classroom. And voila, you replaced a celebrity's face. Please don't use VCS people, but other than that, you're welcome to try other celebrities and have fun. Good luck. I look forward to seeing your creations.